Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little quick small project share. I participated in the monthly new collaboration with Tell 'em Thank You here, Tina, on the YT, and she had where we make a zine each month, any theme that we like, and I posted my theme, and somebody wanted to swap with me, Miss D, so I'm going to be swapping with her. So from Miss D from D Special Thing. So I just wanted to send out something for her. So first I had made this, this envelope came. It's a Recollections brand envelope with the base in here, which I'll show you in just a second. And I was originally going to send it in this envelope. Didn't have any washi tape, and I know she's going to do that project. She talked about saving the stuff from the outside of the envelope and putting it onto the little zine little holder. It's like a little booklet. And I know I've seen that same video where the lady had showed this little a booklet that you can make out of envelopes. You just glue together and you put your zines in there, and then she takes the outside stuff and sticks them on the pocket so that she can remember who sent that zine and where it came from and everything. So anyway, so I called myself decorating this envelope. I didn't have any washi, anything to match it, so I used some cutouts from the paper. Now this washi tape is not a part of it. This is the address, because I was going to use this envelope at first, and then I realized I needed this got to go inside of an envelope. So I already had an address up there, so in order to do the video, I didn't want to show her address or my address, so that's why this washi tape is here. But anyway, these are just cut aparts from the paper collection, and I just glued them down up here just to give it some interest, so she can fussy cut this out and glue it onto the zine holder. This was just made out of paper, cut with my Creative Memories paper edger cutter thing I had from when I used to be a consultant. I forgot the name of it, but that's a postal cut. And this is just some cut aparts from the paper. I just glued it up there, and I kept it flat. I didn't want to put any bling on it because it's going to be in the mailer. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. So that's the envelope up close. And this, like I said, just, oops, and I'm doing this one hand on my phone, stopwatch. Things never go like you wanted to go. Put it on your phone. So anyway, this is the little holder. This is I got this envelope in craft 5x7, like I said, from Michael's on clearance, and also got the 6x6 in a pearlescent white. And they were the only 2 packs I saw. I hadn't seen them before, but anyway, it's a trifold envelope that you can put like a gift card or something in it. And it comes with a blank white card in it. So I just made a belly band because I didn't want to use Velcro, which I did have, but it was going to be on top of the picture and stuff, and I didn't want to mess the picture up. And then again, I kept the belly band flat because this envelope was already tight, so I couldn't put anything else in there with dimension on it. So this is the beginning of the envelope. This is the flap, and again, these are just cut aparts from the paper collection. Simply amazing. That model right there is Simple Stories, the Reset Girl paper line, same thing that I made my zine out of. So I could have put a Velcro here, but then I didn't want to get it on her face, so that's why I didn't do that. But this is how it looks. And again, I'm sorry for any angle if it's weird, because I am on my cell phone. So, and I fussy cut those words out, from one of the other paper pads. I did a whole video on a paper collections that I got, the Reset Girls, which I'll link below in case you want to see some different ones that I've got from Tuesday morning. So anyway, I fussy cut all those items out, the word you, put a doily, fussy cut those tickets, fussy cut the lady out, fussy cut the ticket out, that big ticket, and staple those together and just glue that all down. So that's that. And this is the back. My little sticker on it, DaretoBeCreative. And then when you open it up, see, this is how the envelope comes, trifold, which pretty easy. So I fussy cut this out. It says go, and again, I just covered all this brown craft envelope with the paper collection. That's a punch, a EK Success punch. I cut that out from the paper line. It says life is good. Actually, I think it came from the bottom of the paper line. Fussy cut out the word girl, the ticket, the lady, glossy accented her purse, which I don't know. See a little bit of that shimmer. Probably not too much, but anyway. And so I fussy cut that out and that. So inside is just a card that comes with it, which I'm not going to read. And then I just put some paper back there as well, and the cut apart, and the zine, which I'll show the link to that, which is from this paper collection, is in here as well. So that is my little quick project, y'all. I just thought it was a cute way to decorate and to make the envelope pretty so I can present my zine to her. So anyway, thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. It's amazing when you're on camera how you have to do stuff. And stuff don't want to work out. But anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing and thumbs up. And I dare you to be creative. Take care and have a blessed, wonderful day. Bye-bye.